Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Jagan's fresh move on new district in Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh cabinet appointed a committee to study the case of formation of new districts in Andhra Pradesh. It's been almost a month and a week past. There is a progress in this process. For the high level committee, the government has appointed subcommittees and district committees to study various aspects of the new district formations. Four subcommittees are initiated by the state government, and regarding the same, the government released fresh orders. Deciding the borders of the districts, legal aspects will be studied by the first committee. Division of staff and assets, infrastructure arrangements will be studied by the second and third committee respectively, while the fourth one will work on the technical aspects of the district formation. Andhra Pradesh has currently 13 districts, and the initial proposal was to make every parliament segment as a district. Andhra Pradesh records 10,276 fresh COVID 19 cases, 97 fatalities. Andhra Pradesh once again reported over 10,000 new coronavirus cases in a day, pushing the tally to 3,45,216 on Saturday. With four districts reporting cases in excess of 1,000 each, the state registered 10,276 fresh COVID 19 infections. Also, 97 more fatalities were reported in 24 hours, ending 9 am on Saturday, taking the death toll to 3,189. The latest bulletin said 8,593 coronavirus patients were discharged from hospitals after they got cured. 150 families near Telangana's flood-hit Ramapalli evacuated. Over 150 families from the low-lying villages of Papiyapalli, Singarkuntapalli, Narsapur, Palsapalli, Gopaganipalli and Icherla were shifted in 10 buses and 20 lorries to safer ground after the historical Ramappa Cheruvu started overflowing. Irrigation, revenue and police officials inspected the lake and later shifted the families. Srisailam power plant fire, Congress claims conspiracy, seeks judicial inquiry. The Congress and the BJP have sought a high-level inquiry into the fire accident that claimed the lives of 9 employees in an underground hydel station at Srisailam, while the TRS AIMIM stayed clear of any controversy, while TPCC President and Nalgonda MP N. Uttam Kumar Reddy sought a judicial inquiry into the incident and steps for prevention of recurrence of such incidents in the future. Congress Working President A. Revant Reddy suspected a conspiracy angle. Was it an accident or a conspiracy? I have already said that KCR has cooperated with Andhra Pradesh to allow it to exploit Krishna waters, much to the detriment of Telangana's interest. The incident lends credence to suspicion that the hydel station was deliberately blown up to help Andhra Pradesh, he said. One more flight to Hyderabad from Vizag. One more flight from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad will be launched on August 25. Indigo will be launching the new flight service to Hyderabad. This will be in addition to 3 existing services to the city, including 2 Indigo and 1 Air India flights from Vizag. The new flight will leave Hyderabad at 5:15 am and reach Vizag at 6:50 am, and in return direction it will leave Vizag at 7:20 am and reach its destination at 9 am. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.